Here you go, BB. It's your birthday. Let's see what. Uh-oh, what happened? All right, who did you kill to wear that shirt? Uh-oh. What the heck? It's not a rose and a ball?
Nope.
With a flower?
Nope.
Yeah, that was last year's present.
That was for a wedding.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, now I got the ninja. Cool. I like that. You didn't have to do that, though.
You needed one.
I know.
Damn, I'm shocked of you, dude.
Paint?
This is a review on a Ninja double oven. The only double oven with flex doors. This you can get at Walmart. I think they said they paid $155 for it, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check it out, guys. This side of the package, it definitely shows you what oven 1 can make, what oven 2. 2 independent ovens, different temperatures, finished at the same time. And those are the things that come with it. All right, where's BB? This was a gift.
Yes.
A gift for BB.
My birthday gift.
Yeah, no one sent this to us.
No.
He said he spent about what, 150 something?
156.
Yeah, at Walmart.
Mm-hmm. And he's got the exact same one.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like this one here because not only is it a oven, it is an air fryer as well.
And a convection.
And a
bake.
convection.
Yeah. Yeah. So with this, you hit this button if you just want to do this. Take this down, sorry. You got your crumb tray. Because up here is where you would make toast.
Yeah, it says like you could, comes with a bunch of recipes, but one of here that I am impressed with the recipe that I do want to try, that it says it does toast bread, and that's what
Grilled cheese.
I want to see it making that grilled cheese sandwich, because look at that bread. That bread is just too perfect to come out of here. And then what else it has on the bottom?
All right, it's got this rack here.
Ooh,
There we go.
we got to think about that too when we place it.
Uh-huh. Well, Mom, you gotta be smarter than what you're working with here. There we go. This is attached to the back. This is where you can put your 6 pounds of chicken wings. It'll hold up to 6 pounds of chicken
Right,
wings.
French fries, chicken wings,
Fries, chicken.
bacon, which we're going to try because people
And
have
then
said
you've
that
got
it's
your-
better in the oven.
Got your drip tray right here.
Yep. And again, this is an oven, air fryer,
Convection.
and a convection.
Yeah.
And a toaster.
Yep, it does toast,
does it all.
bagels, bake, and it'll also keep it up warm up to 2 hours.
Whole roast.
Yep.
And again, separate. If you put this only works. If you put that,
Yeah.
2 different temperatures, they will not offset each other.
No. So now I've got a big air fryer.
But the one thing he did say that was,
Well, I was
which we
reading
still have to look into
Yeah.
it, but he says that when you put the timer on,
to preheat.
it takes away from the cooking. So
Time.
if you need something done for 10 minutes and 3 minutes pass by for 3 heat, you would have to put it for 13 minutes. So then the 3 minutes and the preheat is part of,
The cooking.
right. But if you
we're
don't,
gonna find that out.
right, because you don't know how long it's going to take to preheat something.
Right.
So that, but we'll have to look into that. But this is it right here, the big Ninja. Let's see if it'll fit.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna fit on the counter.
All right.
No problem.
And that's where our air fryer used to
be.
And we got rid of it because we really weren't using the air fryer. I mean, it came down to the point that we just weren't using it.
And I think the reason we weren't using it, it was because it was too small.
Yeah, it could be too.
Because, like, we could only do, like, 12 wings, you know.
Yeah.
It was kind of small.
Yeah.
I think we'll get better use out of this. So, let me plug it in.
And this fits in there perfect, guys. So, definitely be doing some good live videos with this here. And it's good because the door comes down.
Yeah.
Doesn't hit this here. But again, look how roomy it is in there. That's about a medium-sized frozen pizza.
Well,
We have to see.
Listen, I can contest that I can get the Detroit.
Yeah, the square pizzas will fit in there with no problem.
It does such a good job.
Yeah, I'm just saying a round pizza.
Yeah, a small round pizza.
You know, you couldn't get the big.
Or like your Tostones pizzas.
Yeah, and you can see how that's how it's got to toast. It's easy to clean. Mm-hmm. Again, this comes out.
Your crumb tray.
I mean, it looks like it's going to be easy to clean. I don't want to say it's going to be easy to clean until...
Brian's is.
I'm just saying, you know, we're going to really cook a lot.
Well, yeah, we're going to be doing different types of cooking than Brian.
Yeah, we're going to put this to the tester here. So you'll be seeing this in future videos.
Hello.
And stuff.
It's got a light. Oh, it's a nice bright light, too.
Yeah, I didn't even... Now they can even see it better, how deep it is. And now we can, like I said, maybe possibly stay away from the oven and use this more.
Because I've liked the air fryers and the convection ovens, which our stove is the convection oven. But in the summertime, if I want to cook something, then it gets the whole house hot.
Right.
Even though we've got air, it just makes it a little bit more uncomfortable.
I mean, the oven was good for us. Yes. It's good. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like this is going to be better for convenience, and it's small, and it's right near our chest level. Mm-hmm. We're not bending over. Other than big pizzas that we normally get would be in that oven.
Yeah.
And then depending how many cookies I would make or something.
Yeah, we're still
But a lot of our cooking that we've been doing can be done here. And again, I want to try that grilled cheese thing.
Yeah.
And again, we'll be doing some live videos with this. So this is definitely.
Bye.
Definitely.
So I'll let you know it's off.
Gonna work out good.
So yes, you have controls here for your top. You've got this here, and then you've got your smart finish, which is down here. And you can set the timer for each. See, time slices,
right?
Time shades, and then there's your bottom.
The other thing that's good about this, because he lives in a small trailer, kind of like a camper trailer.
An RV. He lives in a fifth wheel.
And this here
doesn't take up a lot of his kitchen space.
Yep.
Because now he's got, in his fifth wheel travel trailer, he's got a electric cooker that's built in. And then, but again, he's got no oven. So this was the perfect thing for him. So when me and him were looking, when he was moving in, he needed, Mom, I need an oven.
Yeah, this turned out perfect because
around, and we went to Walmart, and he's seeing this, and he goes, "That's what I want," and that's what he got, and he's loved it ever since. He can make his toast. He can heat up his English muffins, his bagels, and
like when I was in that hotel,
like this,
it didn't have an oven.
Right.
If I would have had one of these with me.
Another good thing with this that he loves is, like, if I make him up leftovers, all he's got to do is just this is how Brian stacks his. He sticks it on this, puts it in there, sets the timer while he's taking a shower after work. By the time he gets done, dinner's done for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why he loves it.
I mean, it's a very convenient oven if you're living in a place that you don't have an oven, or even if you don't want to use your big oven.
Yeah.
You got this right here, and then you can use your oven as a storage.
So I was so happy when he brought. That's why he was itching to get over here yesterday.
So that's it there, guys. Let us know if you guys have something similar. My mother has something similar, but it's not a 2-door. It's
Hers
just a
is-
single.
Yeah, but hers is a convection
Oven, right.
It's not an air fryer.
Right. I'm just saying that,
Yeah.
she just has the convection oven single door thing. This
Yeah.
is an air fryer and convection oven at the same time.
So we're going to be putting
So.
this to use.
Check it out. Walmart, it's online. We're not leaving no links, 'cause again, this was given as a present.
Yes.
We just wanted to show you a little product review, and you'll be seeing it more in some.
Upcoming videos.
Yes.
Yes. So until then, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.